Volkswagen started the anniversary year of the Golf in a very sporty and spectacular way at the ice race in Zell, Austria. The new Golf, which will be launched in time for its 50th birthday this year, had its public premiere at the traditional motorsport event on ice and snow. Volkswagen also provided a first impression of its sportiest model, the Golf R camouflaged, with all-wheel drive and unmistakably R. The future flagship Golf model will celebrate its world premiere in mid-2024. The folks from Wolfsburg are not sharing any details about the new flagship Golf version. The power gap between the GTI and the R has narrowed with the release of the facelift. The front-wheel drive model has gained 20 horsepower for a total of 261 horsepower. The current R has 315 horsepower. Also, don't forget that Europeans got a more potent R333 version last year with 328 horsepower.